Push again, please.
Right, we're recording now.
Never do this when you've got a cut on your hand.
I knew you would.
What?
Cut yourself.
Right, now hang on.
You come here, Cookie.
Come in. Slowly. Go and push. Twist as well if you can.
Is that alright for you, Mr. Pig? Yeah, he's fine.
I think he's fine.
Push, mate, please. Push.
He's not complaining, so...
Hang on. Stop a sec. Stop. This is
Come here. Come here. Where is he? Let's just get a close-up of Mr. Pig. Are you alright?
he's foaming at the mouth.
No complaints there, he's fine.
Right.
There we go.
He's still got part of his bleeding windpipe still in. This hasn't been butchered right.
His windpipe.
That.
What?
That there. Part of his windpipe.
Do you want me to take your watch off?
Please,
you
yeah, 'cause
lose
it's
it.
getting all pig juice.
Hang on a sec.
Oh, my wind somewhere down.
Come on, Cookie, leave the pig alone. He's not touched you.
Right.
Where are you aiming to come out?
Is it coming through?
Here.
Out his mouth?
Yeah, it's got to come up with mush. Watch out, mate, please.
Okay, and I'm just gonna wait for that to come through. Alright, Cookie.
Push her. Yeah, push and try and push and twist. You push, I'll twist. Now, out again. That'll do.
We were getting somewhere because before it was on the end of the table and we got that and hold on a minute, you can...
It's there.
Yeah, I can see it.
It's stopping.
You
Right,
need to
so
cut down
if
there.
I push it through,
Yeah, once you cut down there, it'll go through.
if I push it through and you just get all that extra flab out of the way, then it should easily go straight through.
it's bone and cartilage. I might have to